guys, this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for taking your time to watching my previous video. Really thank you, it means a lot. Keep supporting me like this. So today's video is going to be about how to beat this heat with summer essentials. I'm going to talk about some very basic summer essentials. I know you all are aware of it, but I use them on everyday basis to tackle this heat. Now I live in Delhi and I know it's so hot out here, and if you have to step out, you have to think twice. So I thought of doing this video which is kind of appropriate during this summertime. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I have are sunscreens. Sunscreens are basic. Whenever I think of summer, I think of sunscreen. So it is very important to put on layers on your face before stepping out, because I do this. So I'm using a sunscreen which is recommended to me by a dermatologist, but you can use any sunscreen, any drugstore brand. So the first and the foremost essential, sunscreens. So the second thing are perfumes and deodorants. Oh my god, this is summertime and we sweat a lot. We smell a lot, it's natural. We can't control it, but one thing we can do is definitely use perfumes and deodorants. Now, I am a person who judge another person by his smell. I know it's stupid, but I do that. So make it a point, you use perfumes and deodorants. So the next thing I have are water bottles. I have these two cute water bottles. One has minions in it and one is this. This is something very cute. My mom got it from Singapore, where this is so handy and small. I just dump it in my bag and take it everywhere. Now you fill in water and it's getting elongated. So, what about water? It has n number of benefits, and we all know that I don't need to tell you that. But in the summertime, keep drinking water, keep yourself hydrated. So don't miss out on this. So the next thing are scarves. Yes, I make a point that I carry random basic scarves with me whenever I go out to local markets for shopping. It's outdoor. Now, I read it somewhere, it's very important to cover your head in the sun, like for heat strokes and all that stuff. So whenever I'm shopping under the sun, I make it a point that I wrap this thing around my face till my neck and I look something else. But it does not matter at that time how we're looking. Otherwise, you can use scarves or you can use caps or hats, anything of that sort. Now we all talk about skin, our face, hands, legs, but why do we forget on lips? Lips are the most sensitive and they're very soft. So I think during this summertime, protecting our lips are very important. We can do that by using, I'm using this Nivea lip balm in a regular brand, but you can use Vaselines, the petroleum gels work amazing. So keep your lips soft, nourished and rosy. Now the next thing are face wipes. Oh my god, I'm in love with face wipes. I use them like every 2 hours. What I do is whenever I feel that there's a lot of sweat, I just take out one, I just clean it up and dump it. And this is a small little pack. You can just dump it in your handbag and take it anywhere you go. So face wipes are a must. The last and aloe vera gels. Now, not just aloe vera gels, I mean whenever I go to bed, I apply something which is very cooling to my face, because it like repairs all that things happen during the daytime. When you sleep, it gets repaired. So I use the aloe vera gel before going to bed. Otherwise, you can use anything which is cooling in nature, like Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti or Chandan. I know this aloe vera gels have some hype created, but this hype is worth it because it has n number of benefits. I'm using the Patanjali aloe vera gel, but I also have a plant at my house, so I use a natural one also. Natural is always the best, but this is also not too bad. That's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you until next time very soon. Till then, take care and bye.